How to make a tuna salad? You will need 1 medium sweet onion, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, lemon juice from 1 lemon, 5 cans of tuna and water, and 4 pieces of green celery. Cut your onion and green celery very fine. Heat up your frying pan with little bit of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Place tuna on your frying pan, add half a teaspoon salt and black pepper. Mix all the ingredients together. Fill your sandwich roll or crescent with tuna salad paste and have yourself a wonderful healthy meal. Thank you all for watching.